Start by brushing the chewing surfaces with a children's toothbrush, using straightforward and backward strokes. Brush your teeth gently so you don't hurt your gums.
Make it also a habit to eat fruits and vegetables that are rich in calcium. Calcium makes your teeth stronger.
So even if you eat chocolates and candies, you don't have to worry if you brush your teeth regularly.
And don't forget, visit your favorite dentist at least once in every 6 months. And always use Happy Clean toothpaste. Happy smiles for happy kids. I'm off to my next mission. See you soon, kids!
Okay, kids, nakinig pa kayong mabuti? So here is my question. What is or how many times should you brush your teeth every day? Ilang beses daw? Yes, you? How many times? 3 times a day, sabi nila. Kapag daw, pagkatapos kumain, kailangan nagsisipilyo na tayo ng ipin. Ilang beses kayo kumain bawat araw? 3 times. So ilang beses dapat magsipilyo? 3 times, that is correct. And because you're correct, you get a prize. Ayan. O boys naman. Boys, ilang beses naman daw tayo dapat bumisita sa ating dentista bawat taon? 3 ba? 6 ba? 1? 4? 10? Sinabi nyo na lahat ng number pero dun sa totoong sagot. Ha? 10? Namili kayo. 1, 2, or 3? 2 is correct. Very good. Yun. 2 times. Okay ha?
Times na.
Tuwing 6 na buwan. Okay, mga bata, paano ba kayo magsipilyo ng ipin? Patingin nga. How do you brush your teeth? Is that the proper way? Yung ba ang tamang paraan? Sige, mga bata, meron akong kaibigan na pangalan niya ay si Mr. T. Everybody say, hi, Mr. T. Hello. Ayan, si Mr. T, madumi siya, so lilinisan natin siya para makita niyo rin ang tamang paraan ng pagsipilyo ng ipin. Mga bata, gayahin niyo ako ha. 1, 2, 3. Come on guys, brush with me. Brush up and down. Everybody go up and down. Up and down. Go. Up and down. There you go. Tama. Everybody open your mouth. Say, and doon naman sa likod ng ipin natin, palabas ang pag-toothbrush. Come on guys, go. Upper portion guys, go. Tapos linisin ang ipin, huwag kakalimutan na linisin din ang dila. Very good. Mr. T, ilabas mo dila mo. Say, everyone, stick out your tongue. And sabay-sabay natin sipilhin ng palabas. Go.